Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the precise portion that contains the copyrighted Lofi track. Play and timestamp every instance. Once done, run an audio fingerprint or content ID scan to confirm claim details and track length. While scanning, gather metadata, artist, release, and claim type. Make a quick decision. Will you remove and mute, replace with licensed or royalty-free music, trim the segment out, or pursue a license? This early choice determines the tools and workflow you'll use next. Now you execute the change. Duplicate the project to preserve an original copy, then locate the timestamped region. If replacing, import a licensed or royalty-free Lofi alternative and align tempo and key. Use crossfades and volume automation to blend. If removing, use spectral editing to isolate and attenuate the instrumental, or mute, and add room tone to avoid abrupt cuts. Make micro-edits at clip boundaries so dialogue and ambient sound remain natural. Finish by exporting at the same resolution and format as the original to preserve quality. Double-check audio sync and metadata. Rescan with the same fingerprint tool and then upload. If a content claim remains, first submit license documentation or dispute with a clear explanation. Make sure you follow the platform's claim and evidence process. If the claim still appears, revert to backup and try a different removal method, or replace the segment entirely with verified licensed music to avoid strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.